Namastey Coders, I hope you are fine. So today is 26th March and we have already solved today's problem of the day. So this is the problem of the day and I have solved this problem. The video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. The link of the playlist is given in the description box. The playlist of problem of the day in which I have solved almost 50-60 problem of the day. So if you want, you can go through the videos. Also, this video is a part of LeetCode 75 series in which we are going to solve topmost 75 questions of LeetCode in which are most probably come into your interviews. So let's begin with the problem. So actually we have solved all the first problem of all the topics. Now we are going to solve, and we are almost solved the second. We are on the verge of solving the second problems of all the topics. Right. So the problem is. So today's problem is from bit manipulation and the problem is single number. Right. So before solving this problem, let me tell you that I have also created a WhatsApp group in which we can discuss multiple things. We can discuss our doubts or any problem or any algorithm or anything else if you want. So if you want to be a part of a good community, you can just click on the link which is given in the description box and you will be the part of the coding community. So it's also completely free. Okay, now let me tell you that I am gonna solve this problem in a structure which is commonly asked in the interviews. So I will first discuss the details of the problem in a very depth manner. Then I will try to solve the problem in a brute force approach. Then I'll optimize that approach using the correct method. Right. So this is the structure of interviews. So your interviewer will expect you to solve any problem in this manner only. So let's begin with the problem. We have given a non-empty array, right, of integer nums, right. Each element appeared twice, right. So each element will appear twice except for a number. Find that single one. Okay, so we will given our array in which every element will appear twice except one number, and we have to find that number only. Okay, so this is the problem. This is an easy type of problem. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity. Use only constant extra space. So this is the important thing which is given to us. So first of all, let's say in this example, this is given twice, but one is the answer because one is not given twice, right? Okay, now how can we solve this problem? So natively what we can do, first of all we can sort this array. Then we will iterate through the array and we will check that if the current element is equals to its next element, and if it is not, we will return that element. So after sorting, this will be like 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, right. So we'll check that if this element is equals to, so the current element is equals to the next element. So it is true, then we'll go to the next set, right. So this element is equals to this element, so this is true, so we'll go to the next, and we are at the last element. So this is the only element which should be single, right. In the first example, after sorting this will be like 1, 2 and 2. So the current element is not equals to the next element, so answer is this. So this is the simple implementation of this problem, and the time complexity will be n log n for sorting. Okay, n log n, but we have to solve this problem in a linear runtime complexity, which so there will be a better approach. So what should be that approach? So as you must know that XOR A equals to 0 always, right. So what we can do is we'll take a variable 0 and 0 XOR A should be A. So this is the property of XOR, right? So we'll take 0 and we'll take XOR of every element, right? We know that every element is present 2 times. Okay, so in this example every element is present 2 times except 1, so 2 and 2 will get vanished and 1 will remain. Okay, in this example 4 remains, right? In the XOR, this then the answer will become 1, 4 XOR 1, then answer will become 4 XOR 2, right? Then this in one property of XOR is A XOR B is equals to B XOR A. So this is also a property. So then we have a XOR of 1, so we will replace this, right? And then 1 XOR 1 will become 0, right? 1 XOR 1 will become 0, and 0 XOR 4 will remain 4 from this property. So A XOR A equals to 0 and 0 XOR A equals to A. So these are the 2 properties, and this is the 3rd property, right, which we are using. So this 1 will get shifted to this one, and then 1 XOR 1 will come 0, and 0 XOR 4 will remain 4. So after this 1 we have 4 XOR 2 only, right? This one get vanished this way, right? Then we have 2, so we have 2 XOR 2 will get 0, and 4 XOR 0 will remain 4. So after the complete iteration we have 4, which is the answer, right? So this we can solve in linear complexity, and we are not using any extra space. So that's how we are solving this problem. So this is the implementation. We have answer. We are using the XOR operation with answer of every element, and we are returning the answer. This is a simple 3-line code for solving this problem. So yeah guys, that's it in this problem. I hope you have understand this well. Thank you for your time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or else you can join the WhatsApp group where we can discuss anything, right? So, and also go through the previous videos of LeetCode 75. That will help you for sure, right? So thank you. Have a nice day.